see? Come out of the road, B.
You don't know, say your girl CC.
And your boy Nathan.
I'm know so see about the title.
Yeah, guys. So today we are going to post a river vlog, you see me?
Yeah,
so
guys.
right now, people, we're up on the road, so we are going to just make you know what we are going to do. So we are going to link up with friends, you know. So just stay tuned for your journey, guys.
Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, comment down below, guys. Just what you are going.
Yeah, people, just stay tuned to see your journey, you see me? Yeah. We have a far journey to go. Yep. So just stay tuned, guys. As you can see, CC right there.
Welcome back, guys. We're halfway with journey.
Yeah. No?
We're not
quarter way.
Just Christ.
Let's go, B. We have a long way to go. Yeah, guys, see some of the rest of the people up there today. We are going fast as we can to go and reach them right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. And there is follow back our fly batty. And we have the two fly batty girl them on the left. And we have the Janko Beak youth on the right. CC right there walking.
Yes, guys.
You soon reach. And guys, the journey is very far. You see me? And you know what say? We have to take a look at time and reach.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, and we are here now. Look at that girl. Follow her bottom. And yes, guys, and Ojsy over there. We have Chevla done over there. We have Amai there in the pink shorts with the doodle stain there. And the me a video.
What? So you're blind?
Yeah, people, so right now, people right now, we just got anytime catching no back little from this, you see me? Guys, we have made it to the river. As you can see, very deep. Very, very deep, so we are going to take a swim.
Yeah, guys,
we are going to take a swim right down here, so right now, people, you know it go already. So yeah, people, so just alright, ready? People are joke. A joke we make that could never be the river, guys. And a spring where I go, people, yes, so just stay tuned. B, you tired?
I'm tired, God. Guys, remember to watch the ads.
What that look like too, no?
What?
That done this, sir.
What?
Look back here, no?
Church?
And they look like one house.
The church?
Yeah.
The way the window didn't stay on, so yeah.
Oh.
But a church. People. Hello, doggy. Yeah, get the van. People don't look on them place, yeah. Look how them tree are tall.
Hey, you know which part? When you go around in that drive again? Get up from here.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Guys, we are going to Nigger Beach.
Yeah.
Come on, you walking that?
People, this over here, so now a real Rasta place over here. So you see me? No joke over here, so Lionheart. Yeah, up here so we come my music video. Yeah, real Rasta place. This guys, as you can see, a pretty road. You see me? Yeah. When it carry them we are pass, you see me? Look at this house up here, guys, on the hill right there. CC looking very tired. Chevy in a whole other side. Oh God, hush. Come. You have to go take on the hill now, B. Would I reach long time at spring where I'm going now? Kalisha, you have to put up look up pepper and step in a B. And there's people up there, sir.
Guys, remember to watch the ads and watch out the video them people.
Yeah. Yeah, come on.
Yo, wait. Function, yeah.
The bell for all, so whenever we post video,
Yeah.
you will be notified.
Stop it.
Them place here, people, gully.
Yo, shit.
Wanna go down there and check it out, OJ? Yeah. Yo, snake, brother, snake. Watch it. In your face. And CC looking like she's going to buy something right now.
Your destination, the guys. See it there? So we are going.
Yeah, man, more time. More time. Watch time, don't fuck. And there is Maya. Guys, go over to our channel, go subscribe. As each day, I have vlog out hell.
Watch out. She not buy no cook.
There is chef.
Then I cheat down, then I about you.
I don't know what you want. What kind of thing I treat you for your telegram?
Don't panic.
I don't know what you want. There, I look something. Look over there, so see things over there. So, how much you can curls?
Yeah?
What is?
How much more wine, sir?
What? No, no worry about that, man. On the camera, dark, so man. Turn it up, huh?
No.
Done,
Lock it up.
Oh no, yeah, buy. Buy two of that, no? Corn curls.
She does a wine cake.
Oh, that you want?
They want one wine cake.
How much sweet?
150.
Yeah.
Very short, guys. Very, very short, people. Look at it, right? Can see. Short. Give your man and everything. Oh, very short, guys.
Thank you.
Sharing is caring and never despairing. Maya one done over there is vexed, guys, about
She do not get the bad Jones.
the calls. And this right now, guys, I want me drop.
Yes.
We almost reach now, but look like we can't go vlog a BA music around there. I told stop, man. Big music around, a BA music around there.
Yeah, girl. Then we forgot one you tell me to one party that go on. Lock up the sound. Yeah, be there everything. That's what I'm telling you.
Yeah, be there everything. What you about to do with my friend, man? Aye. See. People see there, all heap of people they want. Like good, they know it good. Be a music, this have to go, the music have to go cut out and copy. Javier. Jump off, man. Jump off, man. Am I? Go on, no? Fuck, so you're gone? Fuck, you're gone.
What have we done?
And what that man is that a dive? Stop fling yourself all about in the water, man, and think of diving. Just a fling yourself all about in the water and say a dive. He afraid to jump off. Go on, I want the camera wait how long, you know, brother. Yeah. Watch them, be a madness, them are going to do this, you know.
So yes guys, we are ending the video. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Hit the notification bell.
Come see. Come in. Oh, yeah, what? Yeah, say. Yes, right.
Remember to go over to them page, guys. So, watch them.
Show your hammer, look at.
Hey.
Look what I tell you already.
Guys, we hit the notification bell.
Just split like one front.
What, yeah? Idiot, I'm only too.
Yes, there is CC going down,
Yes,
people.
guys, we are closing the video.
Yeah, we never get for vlog because be a music.
Like, share, comment and subscribe. And just
Be a music.
Be a music play, guys.
Ojsy, they say, I go you want on the tripod, you know. Everybody else said this stuff. And go done. So, CC, tell them. Bye-bye.
peace out, guys.
Guys, don't peace out yet, guys. I know say CC put a big toe in the water and toe go in the water.
That's evil me.
More time with my car.
Oh God, car is coming too fast.